Listen, if you're a man over 50 and you're struggling with stubborn knee pain, I really need you to pay close attention right now. In this explainer, I'm revealing the exact shutdown switch for inflammation, a specific enzyme in your body known as COX-2. Now, you've probably heard people talking about black seed oil as a fix for joint issues, but here's the thing. Most folks out there are doing it completely wrong.
You have to ask yourself, are you sabotaging your own recovery? It's time to stop looking for temporary Band-Aid relief at the bottom of a glass and start using the actual correct protocols. If you're doing this incorrectly, you're literally just wasting your time and keeping yourself in pain.
So let's clear the air and start with Section 1, the naming confusion, black cumin versus black seed.
There is this massive divide you'll see in pretty much any health food store. Guys ask me about this all the time. They see black cumin seed oil sitting on one shelf, and then they spot black seed oil on another, and they inevitably ask, hey, are these different? Is one better for my knees?
Well, the truth is, they're exactly the same thing. It is the exact same spice, Nigella Sativa, just hiding behind a different name on the marketing label. So if you bought either one of these bottles, you're entirely good to go. The real secret isn't the name on the bottle, it's what you actually do with it.
Which brings us to Section 2, the dual action protocol. This is the exact methodology for knee pain.
Execution is absolutely crucial here. You need two things, the specific daily dose recommended on your bottle and a targeted application. Listen very closely to this part. I highly recommend taking it with food to avoid wrecking your stomach and rubbing it directly on the kneecap. I'm going to say that again so it really sticks, taking it with food and rubbing it directly on the kneecap.
And you've got to do this twice a day. Picture yourself holding the bottle right next to your measuring spoon every single morning and every single evening, taking it orally and applying it topically 2 times a day. That is the definitive protocol to attack that joint pain from the inside and the outside.
But knowing those steps brings us to Section 3, the hard truth, the 30-day reality check.
Look right at me for a second and really understand this completely. Black seed oil is not a magic pill that just fixes arthritis overnight. I know it's incredibly frustrating to deal with joint pain, and you want it gone today, but we cannot rush biology. If you're expecting some kind of overnight miracle, you're going to be disappointed.
Here's the actual reality of how your body heals. On day 1, you start the dual action protocol. By day 15, you must maintain that consistency, even if your knee still aches, because it is only when you stick to this exact protocol for 30 full days that the anti-inflammatory effects finally kick in. You have to give the Nigella Sativa time to flip that shutdown switch. All right, that brings us to our final step. Claim your exact brand, take action today. Because having the map is completely useless if you don't take the first step. If you are truly committed to this 30-day reality check and you want to know the exact brand I personally use for knee pain to ensure you're getting the right stuff, drop the word knee in the comments. I'll send it directly to you. So, are you ready to stop sabotaging your recovery and actually flip the switch on your inflammation? Drop knee below and let's get started. Because your 60s and 70s absolutely shouldn't be spent sitting on the sidelines watching life pass you by.